We are making today bookmarks in cottage style using napkins and thin papers. Separate the layers and keep them all. Now spread the glue on the entire card, especially every corner. Now stick the napkin and you can help yourself with a piece of enveloplast so it doesn't stick to your fingers. Tear the leftover napkin. If there is something you should glue better, just do it. Now sand the paper carefully. Now just edge the edges. Punch a hole in the middle of the card. Decorate with laces. With the second layer of the same napkin, you can still do a second bookmark. You can do the same procedure using these thin papers that you can find in my shop. With the different layers of the napkin, you will obtain light and darker bookmarks. Thank you for watching.